Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer and the poor stay poor? It's a question that often stirs up a whirlwind of debate. Wealth disparity, a topic as old as time yet ever relevant. It's not just about numbers, but about habits, attitudes, and strategies. You see, the wealthy have a unique playbook, a set of rules they follow, that are often absent in the lives of those financially challenged. In this video, we will explore 10 key things that the rich do differently. Firstly, the rich value financial education. They understand that money isn't just about earning and spending, but about managing it wisely. Financial literacy to them isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. They dedicate time and resources to learning about money management, investing, and financial planning. They don't shy away from complex topics like compound interest, asset allocation, or tax strategies. They know that the more they understand about money, the more control they have over their financial future. They're not afraid to ask questions, seek advice, or even hire professionals to help them navigate the financial landscape. They view every dollar as a potential employee, working around the clock to generate more wealth. And it's not just about growing their own wealth, it's also about ensuring they can pass it on to future generations, creating a legacy of financial stability. So it's clear that financial education is a priority for the wealthy. Secondly, the rich focus on investing rather than just saving. Now don't get me wrong, saving is important, but it's just the first step. The wealthy take it several notches up. They make their money work for them. How, you ask? Through investing. Investing is like planting seeds today to enjoy the fruits tomorrow. It's about putting your money into ventures, stocks, real estate, or even startups, where it can grow exponentially over time. The wealthy understand this principle and prioritize investing their money to generate passive income. Passive income, the money that you earn without actively working for it, is a game changer. It's like having an army of dollar bills marching out each day, conquering new territories and bringing back the spoils. It's a powerful tool for wealth creation. The rich understand that investing, not just saving, is key to wealth growth. Thirdly, the rich diversify their income. Now, what does this mean? Well, it's all about not placing all your eggs in one basket. The wealthy understand that relying on a single source of income is like walking a financial tightrope. So, how do they navigate this? They create multiple streams of income. This could mean investing in stocks, owning real estate, running a side business, or even writing a best-selling book. Each of these is a separate stream that brings in money, providing a safety net if one income source takes a hit. And why is this important? Because it provides financial security and opens up opportunities for wealth accumulation. Having a diverse income portfolio allows the rich to take calculated risks, knowing they have a fallback. It's like having multiple parachutes when skydiving. If one fails, you've got others to rely on. Clearly, income diversification is a strategy the rich employ. Fourthly, the rich understand the value of networking. Now, networking isn't just about exchanging business cards at a conference, it's about building and nurturing relationships. It's about creating a web of connections that can lead to opportunities you might not find otherwise. These connections can open doors, spark ideas, and even lead to partnerships or collaborations. The rich understand that their network is their net worth. They know that the more people they connect with, the more opportunities they have to grow their wealth. They're always looking for ways to expand their network, whether it's through social events, professional associations, or even online platforms. But it's not just about quantity, it's also about quality. The rich focus on building meaningful relationships based on mutual respect and shared interests. They understand that these relationships can provide valuable insights, advice, and support. In the world of the rich, your network is your ladder to success. It's the key to unlocking opportunities and achieving your goals. So, networking is another tool in the rich's arsenal. Fifthly, the rich are not afraid to take calculated risks. They understand that to achieve great financial success, it's necessary to venture beyond the safety of the shore. You see, it's not about taking reckless leaps in the dark, but rather making informed decisions that involve a certain level of risk. The rich are willing to step out of their comfort zone because they realize that comfort rarely leads to growth. They're not simply throwing darts at a board and hoping for the best. Instead, they're studying the board, understanding the game, and then making their move. They assess the potential rewards against the potential drawbacks, and if the balance tips in favor of reward, they take the plunge. It's this willingness to take calculated risks, to accept the possibility of failure in pursuit of success that sets them apart from those who prefer to play it safe. Risk-taking, therefore, is a common trait among the wealthy. Sixthly, the rich practice the art of delayed gratification. Now you might be wondering, what's that all about? Delayed gratification is the process of resisting the temptation for an immediate reward in preference for a later, often greater reward. It's like choosing to eat a healthy meal over a fast food burger or opting to save money instead of spending it on a new gadget. The wealthy understand the value of this concept deeply. They resist the urge to spend impulsively, knowing that each dollar spent today is a dollar less to invest in their future. They recognize that foregoing immediate pleasure can lead to substantial long-term benefits. It's not about deprivation, but rather making wise choices that serve their future selves. This mindset allows them to build wealth over time, investing in assets that grow and provide a return. It's a game of patience and discipline, but one that pays off handsomely. Delayed gratification, then, is a significant habit of the rich. Seventhly, the rich surround themselves with other successful individuals. Now, why is this important? Well, let's look at it this way. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you're constantly in the company of those who are ambitious, driven, and successful, it's likely that you'll absorb some of their attitudes and habits. The wealthy understand this concept. They intentionally cultivate a circle of influence that is positive and forward-thinking. They surround themselves with individuals who inspire them, challenge them, and push them to be better. This isn't about elitism or snobbery, but rather about creating an environment that encourages growth and success. Think about it. If you're around people who are constantly striving for more, who are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, it's going to rub off on you. You'll start to think bigger, aim higher, and work harder. So, the company one keeps is important to the rich. Eighthly, the rich prioritize their time wisely. Time is a resource that, once spent, you can never get back. It's a universal currency, equally distributed yet not equally utilized. The wealthy understand this, and they make sure every minute counts. They're not just busy, they're productive. They focus on tasks that directly contribute to their financial success and personal growth. They avoid distractions, unproductive habits, and time-wasting activities. Instead, they invest their time in learning, networking, strategizing, and building their wealth. They delegate tasks that can be done by others, freeing up their time to focus on what truly matters. And they're not afraid to say no to things that don't align with their goals. They understand that time is more valuable than money because you can always make more money, but you can't make more time. As we can see, efficient time management is a priority for the rich. Lastly, the rich understand the importance of giving back. This is not merely a token gesture, but a deep-rooted belief in the power of philanthropy and its potential to create meaningful change. Many wealthy individuals see their success not as an end in itself, but as a platform to make a positive impact on the world around them. They recognize that with great wealth comes great responsibility. Many choose to allocate a significant portion of their wealth to charitable causes, investing in the future of their communities and the world at large. From funding educational initiatives to supporting healthcare advancements, the rich understand that their wealth can be a tool for good. Moreover, giving back also brings a sense of fulfillment and purpose. It's a reminder of how far they've come and the difference they can make. It's about leaving a legacy that extends beyond material wealth. Giving back, therefore, is a key value among the rich. To summarize, the rich employ a number of strategies that contribute to their wealth. They prioritize financial literacy, prefer investing over saving, and focus on creating multiple income streams. They build strong networks, take calculated risks, and practice delayed gratification. They surround themselves with success, prioritize their time wisely, and give back to their communities. These 10 principles are not exclusive to the rich, but are often overlooked by others. So, understanding and adopting these habits and attitudes could be the first step towards financial success and wealth accumulation.